What's up, YouTubians? Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Good afternoon, because we're now posting at noon. That's right. Happy midday. Today's video, we are not going to be working on Jawbreaker.
I know, shocker.
However, let me spin you around and see what you have in the driveway. Boom! Look at that. Look at this. Nice awning on it. Got a pop-top Westfalia Volkswagen bus. Sitting on Mercedes rims with a nice attitude adjustment. What a bus. My buddy's having some problems with some charging issues, and he wants to do a few other things to it while it's here. So I figured, hey guys, why not take you along for the ride, right? So let's dive into this puppy. I'll show you a little bit about it. Alright, there's the Type 4. Looking nice. Alternator's right down there. If you notice, really difficult to get to versus a Type 1 engine. He's got the 34 ICTs on it that I rebuilt for him a while back. Here's the beautiful thing of the mid-70s buses on up. I'll go ahead and shut the deck lid. We have an access hole in here. Oh, lordy, that makes it easy. So let's go ahead and get set up real quick. We'll go ahead and troubleshoot this and see what's going on. Alright, so on your Type 4 alternators, you're going to have two sets of wires coming out. One goes straight to your battery, hooks up to your battery. The other wires are right here. As you can see up on the firewall, you got your voltage regulator. So essentially, what happens with this is, there's your voltage regulator. You have your main exciter wire. It comes up, also ties into your light on your dash. And you've got your others, which are for your ground and trigger and all that. Basically, it's just a relay in there. So first things first, we'll grab the key and we'll see if the alternator light comes on. I do have two meters hooked up. One showing you constant voltage. The other one we're going to show you as we test and probe things, what's going on. So first things first, let's walk over here, open the door.
Oh, gotta unlock the door. Gotta put the key in the proper way. And if I don't, boom, we're in.
Nice thing about his bus, it always smells good. I don't know what he does in this thing, but it smells good. Alright, so we're gonna look right here. Go ahead and turn our key on. Make sure we're in gear, out of gear. Oil lights on, battery lights on. There we go. Battery lights out, oil light went out real nice. Not really showing up on camera, but alternator light is glowing just barely. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and start finding out why. All right, so we can tell right here, barely putting out a charge. We're gonna go back and check our exciter wire. Hey, look at that. 13, 12.7, 13. Here, hold on. Pardon shaky cam. Let me move these up. There you go. So essentially what's going on, he's got a bad regulator, not a bad alternator. So luckily, it's just a matter of unplugging it. Wow, that's already getting hot. So we can actually unplug this, two screws on the bottom, and we'll replace it. All right, so we have our replacement regulator, which would be, I'm up here, guys. You guys are down there. I'm up here. We're gonna see if this works. so you can see what's going on. So we're going to unplug the regulator. That was kind of loud. We got a Phillips head screwdriver, because you know those are Phillips head screws, so usually helps. All right, one down. Can you guys point me in the right direction at least? Oh, there we go, we got it. All right, 2 screws out. New regulator. All right, let's grab the second screw. Where is? There it is. Huh. What if you guys are looking at just the handle of the screwdriver? Didn't think about that. All right. Now, 2 on the flat, so it plugs in the same way.
Maybe. Maybe.
There it goes. All right. So, hold on, you're going for a ride.
Alright, here we go.
So we got the regulator done. Look down there. Regulator's in. You got the voltmeter hooked up.
You stop moving around. Can you see it? No. How about now? Can you see it now?
Yeah, you can. I'm gonna grab the keys. I'm gonna fire it up. Let's see if this puppy charges. Cross your fingers. Fire in the hole. Look at that, it works. Well, I replaced the regulator. There's only one way to plug it in. Funny thing is, the alternator's charging. Not sure what the hell's going on there, dude. Gotta finish putting the tins back, but boom! No more alternator light. You're officially charging. All right, since I chatted to myself without a recording camera the entire time, let me show you how to pretty much the overview of pulling the alternator on a Type 4. Your oil fill has a simple little clamp. You just kind of push it together, pops that out. Pull your dipstick. There's a couple screws down on this lower tin that starts here, works around over to here. Pull that screw. I pull this top screw right here because this front plate has to come off. There's a 10mm right there, and that gives you access to this plate being loose and this lower tin being loose. With both of those out of the way, you've got your adjustment. You'll be able to pivot your tension for your belt. Take that out, and then down below here there's a bolt that passes all the way through and pinches the alternator together with a nut on the underside. So you can go from the underside, get that nut out of the way, and with that done, then you can push that bolt through. Alright. Your 2 wires come up right here. One goes straight up to the battery and one goes to the regulator. I disconnect the regulator and the battery wires and pull that whole thing out as one unit with the wires. If you wiggle it just right, it will come out. You do not have to pull the engine on a Type 4 just for the alternator. A lot of people think you do, but you don't. And again, if I would not have been chatting to myself and actually hit record on the camera, you would have seen me actually do it.
Oops, my bad.
So that's the gist of it. So long story short, I thought we had a bad regulator. Regulator, replaced that. Alternator went up in smoke. Oops. So we replaced the alternator. New regulator was still good. So now he's charging. Big thumbs up, now we can charge. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate you guys watching and sticking around. Till the next time, y'all, be good.